Here's a automotive reviews, and this right here is the 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI with a digital wide body from prior design. Now this is definitely a rendering, and it's not out yet, but prior design has been known to bring some of their rendering to life. Now I remember, I always liked the Golf R, especially the sixth generation. And before that, I think the nicest one was the fifth generation. And I always, even the new Golf R, I always wish they had this type of design what we see here for the new Golf R that's coming out, I believe, 2022. It's not out yet in the United States, but I tell you what, it does not look like this, and it should look like this. I mean, I don't know about the fender flares and stuff, but it should sort of resemble this, but it doesn't. And again, Volkswagen is quite conservative, and they don't stretch the envelope and do anything that's wild and crazy, which they should. But here we have this rendering by prior design is definitely a rocket bunny, and it gives the GTI the name and the feel and the emotions that it should have, particularly the Golf R. It would be nice if it did look like this, and I can't get off of it. Can you imagine 4 exhaust pipes in the back, and this being the back of a Golf R? And that would be so iconic. But it's not the case. We're looking at Prior Design, a German shop that targets the high-end sports cars from AMG, Porsche, BMW. And the VW market is ripe for the opportunity, especially with the GTI, and it always has been. I remember going to car shows, and they have one in Atlanta, and they had some other different car shows that you would go to and actually see. It's particularly one in Florida. I think it's a Dade City where the Volkswagens all get together, and you get to see all these future designs. They're not future designs, but you get to see these mods and these body kits that were just epic. But this right here is epic and has a lot of appeal to it. Tell me what you think of this, guys. Now here at the front, you see the modified air intakes, larger openings, diffuser at the bottom. I mean, it's just epic. And wide body fenders, a couple inches on either side. I mean, those racing tires are just epic. You just take a look at that. Tell me what you think of this in the comments. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome day. This is brought to you by Prior Design.
Hey you guys, this is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for coming to the channel. And I appreciate your time. Have an awesome and fantastic day. And thanks for coming by.